Is very good. My name is very good. Tell me your name, come on. You forgot, hindi pwede nakalimutan ha. Just think of your name. Yeah, think of your name. Say my name. My name. Think of your name. Think of it. Concentrate. Concentrate. No, I know. Okay, now you know. What is your name? Concentrate. Not concentrate. Your name is Jan Jan. Say Jan Jan. Jan Jan. Pulakas. Jan Jan. Jan Jan. Okay, Jan Jan. How old are you? Jan Jan. Oh! Sabi ko, how old are you? I'm 6 years old. 6 years old? What do you want to be? 7 years old. Okay. Jan Jan, I mean, when you grow up, 15 years old. No! Okay, oh, like me, oh, I'm 27 na. Wait. 27 lang ako, 32 ko na. Oh, ay, ang ganyan ha, okay. 34 na nga, oy! Well, sige, hindi ko tatanungin age mo, ha? Okay, where's the birthday girl? Oh, there, oh. Oh, she's nice. Yes. Okay, what do you want to tell her? Say happy New Year. No, not New Year. It's her birthday. Say happy. Good face. Good face. Not good face. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, nice. I love you. Alright, now. Okay, you know guys. Okay. You know guys, si Jan Jan has many talent, right? Yes. Okay, what is your talent? Singing. Singing? Oh, what else? Dancing. Dancing, singing, dancing, and bingo. Bingo? Bingo is not a talent, ha? Singing, dancing, and different sounds of animals. Different sounds of animals. So, you know how to do the different sounds of animals? Yes. Okay, for example, sounds of a dog! Meow! Dog! Listen, dog. Sounds of a dog. Ow, 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 ow. Very good. Sounds of a cat. Meow! Meow. Meow. Sounds of a goat. Very good. Sounds of a dinosaur. Dinosaur? Yes. Sounds of a dinosaur. Are you sure? Yes. Sounds of a dinosaur. Wait. Oh! Come on, sounds of a dinosaur. Alam mo na, okay, dinosaur. I love you. You si Barney yan eh. Dinosaur siya. Okay. Anyway, Jan Jan. Ayan. Ano ka ba talaga? Boy or girl? Girl. No! You're a boy. Say boy. Boy. I am a boy. I am tomboy. No! Not tomboy. Say I am a boy. I am a boy. Yan. Oh, boy. Huwag ganyan, boy ka lang ha, boy. Oh, like Prince, oh. He's a boy, say boy. Boy. Yan, oh, like princess, oh. She's a girl, say girl. Girl. Yan. Oh, me, oh, tingnan mo ako, yan. Oh, ano tingin mo sa akin, boy o girl? Boy. Boy. Baboy. Ano? Boy lang. Ikaw na loob mo, kanina ka pa, ha? Okay, Jan Jan. And Jan, meron gusto sabihin sa kanila. Okay na. Bye-bye na. E paano kung magpabay-bye? Hindi ko para sinigilin ng good evening. Pati muna sila sabihin mo, good evening! Ngayon na? Yes, ngayon na. Sabihin mo, good evening! Are you sure? Yes. Say good evening! Ano ulit yun? Sabi ko, good evening! Yun lang. Good evening! Yun lang. Wala nang yun lang. Sabi mo, good evening. Good evening. Yan. Yan. Okay. Sige, ganito na lang ha. Susundan mo ako, okay? Una ako, tapos susundan mo ako. Saan ka pupunta? No, ang ibig sabihin, follow me. Where are you going? Ang ibig sabihin, repeat after me, okay? Okay. Yan, sabi mo, good evening. Evening. Very good. Very good. Sige na nga, yan. Okay, pag nag-good evening ka, tapos pag bye-bye ka, dapat mag-bow ka sa kanila. Ready, go, and bow. Down. Children, how do you take a bow? Take a bow. Take a bow. Yan. Oh, yan. Ganun yung mag-bow. Oh. Okay. O sige, tingnan mo yung kamay ko. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, dun yung up, tapos down. Ganun yung bow. Ulitin natin, up, and down. Ito yung left, tapos ito yung right. Okay? Ulit natin. Ready? Up, tapos down. Ito yung left, tapos ito yung right. Ha? Okay? Ready, go, and bow. Konti pa. Hindi, konti pa. Konti pa. Konti na lang. Okay yan. Punta lang dito yung bow, ha? Ready, go, bow! Round of applause for Jansen, please. Jansen, thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you.